were like, F you. I would hold the finger up, but I'm not going to. You're welcome, edit team. F you. No, you have a constitutional authority that you have neglected. And if you continue to neglect it, we will step in. And the fact that the Biden administration, regime, has the audacity to sue in this matter, it really should tell you what they think of you, how they feel about you, the average American, and how willing they are to make you less safe. That should really say something to you, how they prioritize you and your safety as an American citizen, that they are fighting Texas for not allowing strangers into our country.
Amen, sister. I want to do this justice because Abbott's letter today is historic.
Yeah.
It is, and I'm a horrible Texan, and I can't remember the exact contents of this letter, who wrote it, but it was at the Alamo, and was it Austin's letter where he was like, was it Austin? I can't remember. Where basically he was saying we're going to fight to the last man.
Yeah, it was the Austin letters, yeah.
This should be framed right next to it, in my opinion. I don't know, I don't want to undersell this because this could be copied to every other red state or every other state that's sick of the bullcrap, that's sick of crime going unpunished, and follow me through, in the future, we know they're going to come after the Second Amendment. Yep. We know they're going to come after guns. We know they're going to come after the First Amendment. Censorship is already breaking out all over the place. There's a reason why the WEF and the Biden administration in parallel are talking about misinformation, disinformation. Mm-hmm. They're coming after the First Amendment.
Yeah.
This is the way through. This is the way.
Yes.
Right here.
Yes.
To say that the states are sovereign. If there is a federal law of the land, but if you will not enforce it, you give us no choice.
Right.
We will go it our own way. Screw you if we have to.
Right.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
This is absolutely amazing.
And to be honest, I did not expect this from Governor Abbott.
I did not.
He has been so weak in action at the border. He talks a tough talk. I can't tell you how many times we've heard him declare an invasion at the border and then nothing changes.
Yeah.
Right. So I really did not expect this type of a stand from him. I wonder if it's to help out some of the Texas House who are up for re-election, just to like strengthen Texans' view of the Texas government overall. I mean, I don't really care what the reason is because finally there is some action here. Because at the end of the day, I think we've been saying this on the show for a long time. The idea that Border Patrol is going to go down there and get violent against the Texas National Guard when they stand their ground is like, I just don't see it happening.
Yeah.
I really don't. I don't think that they're going to follow through on that. But I just want to remind everyone, the SCOTUS ruling was temporary. It's because the case is pending. And so SCOTUS said, while the case is pending, we will give the federal government that authority. Now, does it make me feel good about the potential SCOTUS ruling when you have Amy Coney Barrett siding with the Dems on this? No, not really. But let's talk about disregarding SCOTUS rulings. I hear Joe Biden is still forgiving student loans, even though he was told by the Supreme Court of the United States that he wasn't allowed to do that. So, okay, you guys don't want to regard SCOTUS rulings. I guess we won't either.
Right.
It's time to fight fire with fire. And you know what? We actually have the constitutional authority to do so. You guys are just making shit up.